Robot Kitten Factory production report 11. What I want to do here is fill in some of the background space up top with some black ink, but also like a burning effect. So what I'm going to do is I have that selected, drop that into its own layer, switch the color over to white, and I have one of my many brush effects selected. I'm just going to start adding a little bit of a burning effect in there. Too much on that one. Just a little bit. I want to separate the monster from the background, while not distracting the reader's eye from all of the non-stop chaos and destruction. Happy chaos and destruction.